Welcome, in front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the password to your phone. So the best thing to do in such scenario is to try and take your time and to remember the password that you entered the last time, and maybe some of them will work. And if you really can't remember your password, then the other best solution will be to try and contact Vivo customer support service and let them know about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely help you solve your issue without the need to delete your personal data and information. And if you can't do that too, then the other best solution would be to perform factory reset operation. This will remove everything from your phone, all your personal data, all your information, everything you saved on your device. If you don't have a separate backup on your account, and you can do this remotely using Find My Hub feature by Google. If you have Find My Device feature enabled on your phone, then just go to Find Hub website using any of your other devices and log in with your email that is registered to this device, and just perform a factory reset operation remotely. And if you can't do this too, if you Find My Device feature is disabled on your phone, then you can also remove all files from your phone locally. To do that, just use recovery tools. We can help you with a full video on our channel explaining you how to do that on this phone step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And for me, that will be all for this video. So if I helped you, let us know about it in the comments. Consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.